60 dead. Subscribe right now. She out here with it. Let's go.
Yeah, boy.
Always trying to tell me how to be a princess. I'm the real big sexy. Got me fucked up. Big sexy dead.
Willy Wonka, huh? He walking fast, yeah. Peter Parker, who? Pull out the mask, yeah. Nelly Shopper,
Y'all, look at that. It looks like a little car off of Peter Griffin.
Sweet and hard, berry wines, dishes, dishes,
Y'all see me super zoomed in? Hold on. I'm zooming out. I'm zooming out. I'm zooming out. Can you see me now? Alright, so clearly I'm walking. It's supposed to be a car show, but there's nothing on the street yet, so I'm walking towards where their stuff is. Ooh, we got an orange and I don't know what car right here. If you know what kind of car it is, comment below. $5 if you know. Y'all see that? Gives me Elvis vibe. Then you got this one. I low-key like that. Ooh. Y'all like that? I finally found them. I found the cars. I walked all these miles. I found the cars for y'all.
You're not going to wait for the cars?
Excuse me. Yo, y'all know what these are? Comment. I only seen this in...
I know it's McLaren, and I know it's called the Senna, and I know it tried to race the fastest Tesla. And hey, Josh.
Educate.
Yeah, this guy. She's doing something for YouTube. She wants information about that car. What do you know anything about?
I don't know too much. No, it's like
Anything. I just need information
Anything.
because
It's just
I don't want
1.4
to
million.
be clueless.
1.4 million.
$1.4 million, yeah. It's
Okay, that's enough right there,
One
right?
of the rarest McLaren. Yeah, I think it's worth about $1.4 million. It's a brand new McLaren race car designed for the track. And it's, I mean, you can see it's all carbon fiber, extremely lightweight. Extremely rare car. They only made a very limited number.
What about this one? I'm trying to educate my vlog because I don't want them to be lost. I'm showing them all these nice cars and I don't know.
This was one of like the fast. This was like Porsche's first like supercar. Like this is a Carrera GT. This car now goes for I think over $1 million, but it's like a super classic, like rare Porsche. Really fast car. So.
Yeah, I think that one. I seen it said Ford on it. I ain't never know like Ford to have a
Ford
car
GT.
like that.
So yeah, so they just made a car like that. It's a Ford GT, so that's like competing with a lot of these like high-end European like supercars. And Ford kind of came out with their own. They used to have one like a long time ago, and they just came out with a new one like a year or two ago. So that's also a really cool car.
Now, would you ever invest in one of these kind of cars?
Like, would I buy one?
Yeah.
I would love to.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
You guys be safe.
Where is that going? Is that going?
On the vlog, yeah. It goes on here and...
Good luck with that.
Thank you. Thanks. So I got some answers. The very first firefighter machine, ladies and gentlemen, the very first. Is something spectacular happening? Oh. Now, if y'all know what this is, I give you $20. Touch, but please don't look. What in the world? He need me on the side of that. That's the vice mayor? Look at his truck. What is that? I like that. That is nice. Caitlyn Jenner. Bro, you guys, that is Caitlyn fucking Jenner. Caitlyn Jenner. She's so happy. What is that? How did they get in there? What is this? How are you in there? Yo, they said like they need babies. Yo, they're blowing up, like literally. Okay. So they got their little live camera set up on the top of there if y'all can see. Oh, they feel like Gucci Mane. They woke up yellow diamond lemonade. Yeah, I like that.
Oh my God,
Yellow.
Look at the front wheel. That's the Elba.
Yo, look at all this. This is... what is that?
That's right hand drive.
That horn sounds crazy. It's like a little crack. What kind of gas does that would that take?
I don't even know.
Yeah, it smells crazy. Like I don't know, it's something about small, low to the ground cars that scare me. I love it. We got all these people that came out. You guys are getting good footage.
Wow, that's an actual home race. Holy shit, an MC-12.
I love that. What is that? What in the clucker?
Oh yeah, no way.
Now what is this? Now I need an explanation for this. What is this? Yeah, EMS. What kind of? That look indestructible. I like that. Oh, that's smooth. It don't stop. It just keep going. All these people with these nice old cars. That was that, you know, I'm guessing, but I'm gonna walk back to where I left the guys at. I see more cars right here. You see this one.
Hot in the bitch. What's your channel name? Wait. You say slave shit?
Slave shit.
Oh. Big Sexy Dance. Subscribe right now. She out here with it. Let's go. Yeah, boy.
Always trying to tell me how to be a princess. I'm the real big sexy. Got me fucked up. Big sexy, yes, big pimp.